some cure rust on the engine and brought it inside while this dries because it's wet and raining outside. I've got the pistons here and I've just taken one of the piston rings off this piston. We're just going to measure the gap in the piston ring. So I'll put it in, get it in line, and then we'll measure this gap in the middle and compare it to what it is, compare it to what it says it should be in the book. So we'll just get our piston ring, squeeze it together, pop it in like so. Let's twist it around. Then we'll get the top of one of our pistons. Just use it to seat our piston ring there. And now we will measure this gap here. Seems smaller in this one.
Where's your second one though?
Yeah.
It should be smaller.
Why should it be smaller?
It should be 25. 0.25.
So, I know that, yeah, but why do you think it's smaller in a second, in a different cylinder?
They're all different, aren't they? I think. 1, 2 and 3 was okay.
Right, okay.
1, turn it off a minute. 1 leaked very quickly, within a couple of hours.
Mhm.
Then 4 leaked within another couple of hours.
Okay.
But 2 and 3 didn't leak until overnight. So 2 and 3 are not too bad. I think 1 and 2 is a bit warm.
Right, okay. Okay. Can we get a bigger one in there? Let's try a bigger one. Okay. So that is 0.63 millimeters. And according to our book, it should be 0.3 to 0.45 millimeters. So that is too big. Oil scraper ring. Either way, whichever one it is, it's too big. The range between 0.3 to 0.45 or 0.2 to 0.45. Could be why it's leaking oil. Let's just try it in one of the other cylinders because we think it was even bigger. So let's try it, same thing in this cylinder, cylinder 4. So we just had this feeler gauge in it a second ago. Let's see what it is now in cylinder 4. Goes a bit tight, that. So we're getting, that's a 0.55 millimeters. So 0.1 mil difference between those two. That's interesting. Why would it be doing that? Does that mean this is more worn or that one's more worn? I need to ask some questions. Right, okay, so we've flipped this back over now. That difference in measurement in the bores and the piston ring gaps makes me think that bore 1 is about 1 millimetre wider overall than the rest of them. There's a bit of variation between all the cylinders, so I think we're going to have to take it to a head shop, get them to have a look at it. While we're doing that, we might as well take the head down, but to do that we've got to take off the cams and completely strip the head. So let's go and take it apart. Okay, so according to the manual we've got to remove caps 5 and 7 first, so let's get doing that. We'll do them a little bit at a time. Bloody hell, will you hold this still for me, Dad? Thank you. But these are very, very gummy and oily. Bloody hell. Bloody hell. Let's give them a bit of a tap.
Can you roll up upwards? You get against it.
Not really, no. Oh. Bloody hell.
You might have something hard on there and that thing. It's in that water.
Right, next we've got to remove the end caps. Okay, next we need to remove caps 1 and 3, so let's do that. Let's try this one. Struggling to get these off. Let me take the others off and it'll pull them off maybe. I'll get these off and I'll do the rest of these then. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay, let go now.
I've marked these. That's the top.
No, that's not the top. The top, we need to, doesn't ignore that, it doesn't matter about that. On this, there's 2 little spots
Oh, right.
which needs to be centre, so we need to ignore that.
Right. Away there.
See, these are coming up with the pressure from the valves. I hope it's not going to bend the camshaft. We can't get these off. What?
Which ones can't get off?
These end 2. The end caps.
Have a look. That one.
Yeah. Be careful. You don't want to make any scratches on that because this is the gasket surface.
No. That's just because these are when you're doing these.
I'm not.
It doesn't need undoing because that's inside it. That needs undoing.
It doesn't say take that off.
It's inside it.
Oh, okay.
That's why probably it will come off. You have to do that then, can't you?
I suppose, yeah.
Are they all same size nuts?
Yeah.
These two are different, they've got the things on them.
Oh, that is part of that. Oh, there we go. That's part of it. Didn't realise that. Yeah, that one's for the... Right, okay, well that's off then. What about this one? Nothing stopping that one.
That nut came off this one. Well, that was on there like that.
Okay.
Them two go on there. That's pretty much as well the same, I think.
Where's that plastic trim removal gone?
On the side behind it.
Okay. These ones too. There we go. Coming up easier now, I've got a bit of pressure against them. How much to do without snapping any nuts?
The short snap nuts in there with oil.
Bloody hell. What will that come out?
Well, this one, try this one.
This one's still got its cap on one side, hasn't it?
Well, that needs to come off.
I know, I can't get it off. That's what I'm saying. If we can. Ow.
Let's get this off then. Like I said in the beginning.
You're not going to be able to get that off, Dad.
Can we just try it?
You're not going to be able to do it.
You know, it's not really tight.
Oh, is it not? Look, you're turning the whole thing. That's why well, that's come off now at least.
Oh well, there you go then.
But it's time to get this cap off.
Yeah, we should have done this before.
Go on, try and get it off.
No, you can't now.
What?
That, with that thing,
Mhm.
just gentle, I lift this.
Something came flying off then. That's coming up, that. I think.
I've got to touch something over wood. No, this end's got. I've got. Oh,
There we go. Right. Why is this one not coming out?
well, let's get this waste. This waste off. It should come out now. No, you won't get that off.
It's like it's jammed in somewhere, isn't it? Just put pressure down on this side.
Can you not push the valves?
No, put one of the caps back on there maybe. Push it down. Where's cap one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5.
How about that?
Yeah, good idea. Let's see if this will pop it out that side.
If it's too tight, it won't do. Seen that?
I'm just trying to push it because you can see it's sitting like that at an angle. So if I put a bit of pressure on this, it might wind it down a bit and pop out. But it also might, there we go. Is that 3 now? There we go. That's 3 now. Got stuck again now. How weird.
What?
Right, there we go.
Take your thing off now. Did you take it off?
There you go. Give you that.
Where's this going now? Safe. What?
Oh, there we go, I've got it off. When we put the cams back in, we need to make sure that this little dot here is one on each cam, they are facing each other. So they'll be on the inside of here. Right, so my dad is now going to go ahead and remove the valves. Let's take off these bucket. So they're hydraulic lifters then, I think. Oh, okay, I take it back. I take it back. Right, let's move those. Oh, nice. Where's the rest of the collet? It's in two pieces.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to keep the springs and the collets together?
We're going to do together.
We'll put those. There's two springs in there. Put over two then.
They're not for springs. They're
They're for valves for springs.
Oh, that's right. Two.
That's one goes on one. What about the collets? We'll put those with it as well.
One.
And the caps.
Cap goes on.
You alright? Did you hit yourself? Oh yeah. There we go, that's all the valves out of our head. They all look,
Dirty. Dirty.
yeah, dirty. A bit worse for wear. So, there we go. So there we go, that's the all the valves out. We're going to take this down to Warrington to a head shop for them to have a look at and tell us how bad it all was, to give this a clean and to tell us what sort of state the bores are in the bottom end. So we're going to put this in the car and go. Right, that's everything in the car, ready to go down to the head shop. We've got the lifter because we're lending that to our mate Al. But yeah, we've got the pistons, in case we need to do piston ring, get bigger pistons in it. So let's go and see what they have to say. I probably won't film in there because I'm not sure whether they'll allow it, but I'll let you know what they say. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so we're back from the head shop, and they said that basically it's goosed. It needs reboring, so they're going to rebore the cylinders, and which of course means I'll need bigger pistons. So the piston rings we bought will have to go back. So yeah, waiting for a quote. So yeah, that's it for this episode. Hopefully we'll have an update on the state of things, how much it cost, if it's all gone okay soon. Then we can get cleaning the engine, get it painted. So join us in the next episode. Thanks for watching. See you soon.